this video is going to be what I put in my suitcase. I did carry on my suitcase onto the plane, so it is a smaller bag. It does look different than what it looked like when I first packed, so yeah. I'm going to start off with the side that has the zipper on it. On top, I have my caddy, I guess you would call it, which is where I put all my bathroom stuff. I brought granola bars with me for the morning. These are my flip-flops that I brought with me, black flip-flops. These are really, really comfortable as well. So I also brought my Sperry's. I brought these. They're just a little bit dressier of a sandal. They're still pretty casual, but because they're the patent look and they're shiny, I thought they were a little bit dressier. So I brought these bows, which were actually really cute. I enjoyed them. I brought a couple little cardigans. So I brought a white cardigan and a blue cardigan. I brought some sleep shorts. I think I had 2 pairs in here. I also brought a sleep top. I brought a pair of lighter shorts, just kind of like a nude tan, like a light tan color. Here's one of the pair of jean shorts that I brought. I wore these a couple of times, again, because I did laundry. Brought this, and I didn't actually wear this one. I brought this really plain t-shirt. I brought black cami. I brought like a white cami as well, and I think I brought a navy cami. I brought a couple of shirts. So one is this Lion King shirt. This is from Kohl's. I bought the Star Wars one. It's kind of like the Starry Night Sky kind of esque with Stormtrooper on it. So that's everything in that one compartment. And then in the other side of my suitcase, I did bring this, and I don't recommend bringing anything like this. I mean, wore this to Animal Kingdom. Also brought like a beach bag in case we went to the pool. We didn't really go to the pool. We just didn't have time because we went to the parks every day. I have this one that I got, and I think I got this one from Hot Topic. I have this Mickey one. More shorts, more shorts, more shorts, some sleep shorts, sleep top. I brought a dress for a nice dinner, navy tank, and then I have this Minnie Mouse shirt, and I got this from Kohl's. Here I brought this bag, and this has all of my undergarments. So I also put in my bathing suit, which I didn't end up wearing. I brought a little nail kit. I brought tissues. I brought some makeup brushes with me. And then I have this little bag here, which I had like my medicine in, my little Mulan key ring, which I wore on my bag for Epcot. And then all of these, which I actually recommend bringing something like this. I had one on my bag, and I think everyone had one on their bags as well. It's everything that I brought in my suitcase for Disney. I'm gonna go through my toiletry bags. Family checked a bag, so I just put my liquids in their checked bag. I've got 3 bags here, these 3. So we're gonna start with, you know what, let's just go ahead and start with this one because it has the least in it. This was the bag we brought for sunscreen, and I believe we used up a full sunscreen while we were there. It wasn't full, but we used up a sunscreen that we brought. It was almost gone anyway, so. But anyway, so I have this bag here. The top zipper had face sunscreen in it. So this is the same one that I brought with me to Aruba, the Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Face Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 50. In the bottom compartment here is where I have the rest of my sunscreen. I have the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Face and Body Stick Sunscreen in SPF 70. And they brought this one in my park bag with me. I also brought with me the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 55. And I did use this. I used this every morning. I applied it everywhere that skin was showing. Banana Boat Simply Protect Sport SPF 50. I didn't end up using this one because I used this one, the Neutrogena one, instead. And then we also brought this. This is a CVS 50 Ultra Protection Sun Lotion, and I think it was one of these that we had that was like halfway gone, and we ended up finishing it up for the trip, and we just threw it away there. So we didn't have to bring it back. So I think it was the same one as this, and then we just brought a full version, which we didn't even use. That is everything that is in this bag, just all the sunscreens, like I said, just to keep it all in one spot, and just in case it spilt, it was inside of something. So now we're gonna go into what is in my toiletry bag. This has all of like my bathroom stuff in it, anything that I needed for that kind of stuff, for face, body, hair, things like that. So I did bring a toothbrush. I brought a disposable toothbrush and I threw it away at the end of my trip. I also brought a disposable razor, threw that away at the end of my trip. So I did have those in here, but they are not in here anymore. The shampoo and conditioner that I brought and I did use was the Garnier, I think it's Garnier, Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner, and this is the Honey Treasures one. And I used them almost up completely. There's still a little bit left in them. I also brought my own shower gel. This is from Bath & Body Works, and this is the Malibu Heart shower gel. And as you can see, we did use quite a bit of it. So I brought this EOS shave cream and moisturizer, and this is in pomegranate raspberry. And it looks like that. I did bring this little foil packet of the Bumble & Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil shampoo and conditioner, which I did not need to use. I brought this face wash, the Origins Checks and Balances, a frothy face wash, Soul Travel size. I also brought this hand cream, which I did use almost every day. This is the Diana's Goat Milk Skincare Goat Milk Hand Cream in Lavender Blossom. Brought this little container, which is the Mario Badescu Cucumber Cleansing Lotion, but what's inside is the Clinique toner, so I just put it in a smaller jar to use to travel with. And there's a tiny bit left, so there's like that much left, and I think I had it like to here. So I did use quite a bit of this. I also brought cotton rounds and Q-tips, which I went through, so I don't have it in here. I brought some moisturizer. This is the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer, and this is a travel size as well. Then I brought this serum. This is the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. And then I brought this eye cream by Dermalogica. It's the Stress Positive Eye Lift. I brought a little lip balm. This is Blistex Lip Infusion Moisture Splash, and I believe, yeah, this has SPF 15 in it. Okay, so this isn't what is in this container. Again, I put what I was using in this container. I think it was a Hask, some kind of like honey curl enhancing gel or something. So I put that in here, and I'm pretty sure this is almost gone. I have maybe one more use out of this. I brought this Numa, what is this? Numa Instant Fix cream or something. It's a leave-in product, so I brought this with me. I brought a deodorant, like a mini deodorant. So this is the Degree Motion Sense Fresh Energy Invisible Solid. I brought a mouthwash. I did bring Poopery, and this is the Lavender Vanilla one. I brought this little mini toothpaste thing. It was small, so I figured I would bring it. I brought this little Savvy Travelers Speak Easy. It's a wipe, and it's either for your teeth, your lips, or something with your mouth, I guess. I don't know. I didn't end up using it. I thought that maybe it would be good for my lips to take off my lip product, but I just didn't need it. I brought a little mini mirror. This is really lightweight, so I brought this so that I could put it in my park bag. I never ended up needing that either. Brought a hair tie. I brought a couple of them, and I did use them. And I brought a little mini fragrance. This is a DK Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. It smelled very fresh. I packed a comb to do my hair after the shower. And then I packed these Formula 1006 Wipe Your Face Off Makeup Removing Facial Wipes in pink grapefruit and apple. I have one more thing in this bag, and then that is everything for that. So the last thing in here is, again, these Acne Pimple Master Patches, and I didn't open it because I just didn't have time to do it. Last toiletry bag, I believe. This was my makeup bag. Every makeup product in here is a mini or a travel size or just really small. I packed this small little EcoTools kabuki brush, and then I packed it in this little EcoTools bag just so it stayed clean. Oh, I brought a little bit of jewelry. I brought one pair of earrings, one necklace. I only wore the earrings a couple of times. I never wore the necklace. I brought an eyelash curler, more hair ties, this Urban Decay foil packet. These are the eye primers, and I didn't ever really reach for them just because I was in such a hurry every morning to try and do my makeup that I just skipped this step. This Bare Minerals eyeshadow in palette in the Bare Neutrals, and I only use this like maybe twice or something like that, so I didn't use this very often, but that is it right there. I brought this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Definition Concealer, and this is in Creamy Beige, so this is too dark for me, but it does have a little bit of an orangey tint, so it does help with my dark under eye circles. And then I also brought this Bare Minerals Original Powder in medium beige, and this is the original one with SPF 15, so I brought that, and I wore this pretty much every day. Also brought this It Cosmetics CC Plus in the color Light because this is also too dark for me, and I thought that maybe I would use this and just apply it with my hands, but it just took way too long, so I didn't even bother with this. The Cover FX Mattifying Primer, Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I love this stuff, so I brought that. I also use the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil every day, and again, this is a mini, so it's got the spoolie on one end and then the product on the other end. Two different mascaras with me. I brought the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and then I also brought the Ico Yoga Waterproof Mascara, MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in Pink Lights. Brought this little Benefit Posy Tints with me. I used this on my lips, and I also used it for my cheeks. And I brought this Lorac Front of the Line Pro Black Eyeliner eye pencil. Last three products in here I brought for makeup are these lip products. They're all from Ulta, and they're all minis. I have two butter balms and then one matte lip cream. And I have it in Luna, which I wore quite often. This is a pink. And then I brought it in Ariel, I think that says. I wore this once. It's like a brighter, more so hot pink fuchsia, teeny bit of red in it, not a whole lot though. And then this matte one is in Tender, and this one I did wear quite often as well because it's more of a nude. So that is everything as far as like my toiletries and stuff like that that I brought with me. I'm going to show you what I brought with me as my personal item on the airplane for my trip to Disney. So this is the bag that I bring, and it is actually quite organized. I'm just going to go through this and pull things out, kind of what's at the top. So this is usually always what's on the top because I can pull things out of here really quickly. Typically we'll have my wallet, my phone, and anything that I need to pull out really quickly through security. So I'll go through the middle compartment first. I brought this little wallet thing this time because I brought a mini backpack and this just fits so much better. In here I have my magic band. I have a little thing of tissues in here because I don't know why, but my nose always gets runny on an airplane. I have my external battery, my external hard drive, so that I could put the pictures on here and free up some space on my phone or whatever we were taking videos and pictures on. Also in here, which I always have, is an eye mask, some earplugs. I think these are earplugs. Yeah, some earplugs, I have a little mirror in here. So that is everything in this. And then I have my liquids bag, and there's really not much in here. A hand sanitizer, wipes, and I did bring some face masks. We brought these little wet ones, wipes for the airplane. We brought some lens wipes for our sunglasses, a lip balm. I brought the Sun Balm Watermelon in SPF 30. And last thing in this little bag is I brought this little thing of Vaseline. And then I have this bag here. I do like to compartmentalize, is that? I like to keep things in different compartments. So I have this bag, and this has all of my electronic kind of cords and chargers in here. So I have my laptop charger. I have a little adapter thing to switch the headphones. I have my earbuds. I have the cord that goes with the power bank. I have an extra pair of headphones with headphone splitter, so if we both wanted to watch the same thing at the same time, we could do that. And then this cord was for the external charger. So, and then in here I have this little pouch, and this has my rain jacket in it. And then of course I brought my Bose headphones, my laptop, like a mini backpack or a small size backpack. In this bottom pocket down here, I have Band-Aids. Then in the main compartment here, and I brought this, which is my sunglass case, and my sunglasses in here, and then just a sunglass wipe in here as well. So that is everything that I brought with me on my Disney trip. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these videos and hope you found them interesting and helpful. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye.